This is going to go flying at Dad.
It kind of remind me of that time when I used to go to my grandma's house. I used to put batteries in her ceiling fan, so whenever she turned it on, you know, whoever turned it on, they used to go and like sling off and hit them in the head. They used to use AA batteries.
Knew
and
that
stuff
was
like
coming.
that. What's going on, everybody, man? This your boy Dave the Damn, bringing y'all a reaction video. And this video is called Instant Karma 2022: Hilarious Fails and Big Mistakes. Y'all new to this channel, I need y'all to go hit that like button. Let's go and hop directly into it, because I don't feel like doing an introduction. God damn, this loud. Damn, boy, you bust your ass. He busts his pieces. You kicking no pieces. Hey, you better leave it. They spit in your face. You gotta watch out with them, bro. That's a pinto bean llama. And y'all see me, my eye might be tripping a little bit too. This eye might be tripping. Why my nose stopped up? What the hell is that? Is that ice? Oh, that's snow that ain't melted yet. I'm confused because how they dress seem like it's warm temperature. So why they like? Better leave that ass alone. I never understand. You pushed him, so all your momentum and force should have went. She gonna headbutt your ass.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
Oh, it's gonna do. Oh! That dog finna kick all that sand in your face. Watch this. Shoot, 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 shoot. Nah, get the snake out of his hand because he don't know what the hell he doing. He can't even hold it. I don't even know how, but as soon as he get up, he gonna fall. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick, dude. He drunk as hell.
Huh?
Damn, dude, you alright? Damn, linebacker built ass. But he went into her and he went backwards. Might want to hold on.
No! Oh, my camera.
Hey, buddy got skill.
Ready? I am ready.
Okay, come take a look.
Do you think I don't watch internet?
You think he don't watch the internet? Nah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You try to smash cake up my face, I'm gonna put my fist in your face, bro. I'm just saying, like, that's assault. Assault with a sweet treat. I don't like that. Oh, buddy, how you hitting everything but the target? Oh, okay, okay. Then broke the damn TV screen. Oh, look at Alvin. You better put Alvin down.
Careful, careful, careful.
Tip it down. Rescue Rangers. Chasing you or something? Why you just slide? You cut the slide council like that.
Go, 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 go.
Oh! that man piss in peace? Buddy, don't fall in there with your thing out, man. Oh.
Kamu tuh kok udah malah terus kayak jaga ya?
I mean, what did you think was gonna happen with that one? I gotta put my hands down. I'm be putting lotion on before I record these videos. So my hands be ashy.
Oh.
You got that on video.
At least you ain't fall and bust your hair like some of the other folks in this video. Like him. He butches his stitches. He can get the stitches.
Whopper, Junior, double, triple, Whopper, impossible or
I got a gorilla for sale. I got a gorilla for sale. I really wouldn't be mad if I was Buddy on the top bunk because the whole bed that fell down and now you got to sleep like that. Well, he still got a bed anyway, though.
I'm trying not.
I mean, that could have ended way worse than what it was. Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! But not for me. Buddy, how you try to rob? That's embarrassing. For you to rob somebody and they still come back. Damn.
This is going to go flying at Dad.
Kind of remind me of that time when I used to go to my grandma's house. I used to put batteries in her ceiling fan, so whenever she turned it on, you know, whoever turned it on, they used to go and like sling off and hit them in the head. They used to use AA batteries.
Knew that was
like
coming.
that. I was an evil child. Don't ask me. I used to do a lot of dumb stuff.
Jungs, toen dacht ik oh.
Buddy, he trying to. Nah, just keep it. Keep it.
Bro, thank you so much, bro. Yeah.
Damn. Buddy, a savage. I got a gorilla for sale. I got a gorilla for sale.
What is this? Don't you think you're being a little dramatic?
Oh! Carl, I was not expecting that.
Caitlin asked me to get her a big glass of water because her water heater's broken, so I got her a big glass.
You lucky that didn't cut your damn hand. That's an ugly white ass dog you got in the back. I just noticed that dog. That dog is ugly.
Really?
Oops.
In there breaking stuff. Buddy out there doing, okay, he out there doing donuts in the Dodge 150, 1500 rod.
Whoa, what the?
Yeah. Ooh.
Straight? Yeah. Is it a straight though? Yeah. Straight.
Hey, bro, don't break the hotel folks' bed. She damn sure did that. Well, that insurance fee coming out your wallet. Damn!
Oh,
Was that the gangster knock they're trying to do or something? They're trying to break in your house? You know that's the police you just cut off, right? All right, bro. All you got to do. Oh, damn, that ugly little white ass dog. Take your dog to the dog man crying. Take that dog to the groomers, man. Might want to move.
Damn.
Buddy finna get your ass for that traffic violation you just committed.
Okay, right, this is going well so far. Now, onwards.
Do, 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 do. Look, man, that was the end of this video. If y'all liked it, enjoyed it, anything of this nature, y'all make sure y'all leave a like, y'all comment, subscribe, and with that being said, I'm gonna holler at y'all later.